What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're looking at what is easily one of the best NBA 2K26 Cronus Zen scripts available right now. If you're looking for the best auto green script on the market, well, stick around, I'm going to reveal to you the best one, after I tried every single one of them, and the results will shock you. Before we jump into the features, I want to quickly mention something that separates Sigma scripts from most other script providers. Most websites charge you separately for every single script. You buy an NBA 2K script, then if you want Fortnite, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, or another game, you have to keep paying again and again. With Sigma scripts, you pay once and get access to a massive library of premium scripts for virtually every major game. Instead of purchasing one script at a time, you unlock everything in one place, making it a much better value if you play multiple games throughout the year. If you want to check it out, head over to sigmascripts.wtf after this video and get access to every single script in existence without ever having to pay for a script ever again. As you can see, I joined the Discord after paying. And now you can see Sigma Scripts has given me access to every single script from every provider. And I get access to scripts for every game as well. And they update it as well once new games come out. Now, let's get into some of the biggest features. Number 1. Auto green shooting. This is the main feature NBA 2K players are looking for. The auto green system is designed to help players get more consistent shot timing by automating release timing adjustments based on your selected jumper settings. Whether you're playing Park, Rec, MyCareer, or competitive modes, the goal is to make your shooting feel more consistent and reduce missed shots caused by timing errors. Number 2. Custom shot timing settings. One of the biggest advantages of this script is the ability to customize your settings around your own build and jump shot. Different players use different releases, jumpers, and controller settings, so having adjustable timing options allows you to fine-tune the script around your personal setup. This makes it easier to find a setting that matches your playstyle. Number 3. Green window optimization. Shooting in NBA 2K is all about timing. A small difference in release timing can completely change the outcome of a shot. This feature focuses on helping players get closer to perfect releases more consistently, especially during high-pressure situations where every possession matters. Number 4. Dribble and movement features. Besides shooting, movement is a huge part of NBA 2K. Having smoother inputs and optimized controls can help players perform moves more consistently, create space, and feel more comfortable while playing offense. Number 5. Controller customization. Quality of life features are often overlooked, but they're extremely useful. Being able to customize controller settings, shortcuts, and different gameplay options can make your overall experience smoother and easier to manage. Number 6. Constant updates. One thing many people don't think about is script support. NBA 2K updates constantly. New patches, gameplay changes, shooting updates, and new seasons can all affect performance. That's why having a script library that continues receiving updates is important. And again, this is where Sigma Script stands out. Instead of paying for one NBA 2K26 script and then starting over when you switch games, Sigma Scripts gives you access to premium scripts across a huge collection of titles under a single membership. So if you're playing NBA 2K today, Fortnite next month, and another game after that, you're already covered. If you want to learn more, check out sigmascripts.wtf through the link in the description. Let me know down below what build you're using in NBA 2K26, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cronus Zen guides, setups, scripts, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.